Hello everyone! So this week I did a little winter marble and it looks so beautiful and elegant, and at the same time it is so easy to do. So let's get started. I'm getting my nail tips ready and I'm going to show you the colors that I will be using. So as a background color I have this beautiful dark green. It's called Chilling Time and it's from Semilac. And it's like, it is between a dark British racing green and maybe a teal, although on screen it looks very dark, but it's not. It's just a beautiful intense green. And I will be combining that with this green glitter gel polish, a bit of white and a bit of pink from Rosalind, another pink color, I'm still deciding, and this nice glitter gel polish. It's from the Rosalind winter collection. Check Rosalind out. I'm not getting paid for saying this, but they have amazing stuff on their website. So all I'm doing is I'm coming in with the Semilac Chilling Time and I'm applying the first coat on the nail, and surprisingly it applies a little bit like a jelly gel polish, so it is a bit transparent and I was not expecting that. However, I think it's also very beautiful in just one coat, but for this video I did 2 coats on each nail just to reach complete opacity. And yeah, as you can see, a super beautiful dark green gel polish. Cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And I apply the first coat on the other 2 nails as well. And here I have the second coat on my first nail, and all I'm doing after curing, guys, is just I come in with my little nail palette and I'm applying all the colors on the palette that I showed you before. So I put the white in the middle and then I come in with the 2 glitter polishes I showed you. And a little bit of pink. No mixing, no swirling. I just leave everything as it is, and all I'm doing is that I apply a layer of top coat on the nail, and I will be using this gel brush to apply the colors for the marble. I would say you cannot have it easier than that. So I apply an even layer of top coat. See that there are no gaps, no nothing, and I leave that uncured. And then I'm coming in with the gel brush just straight through all of the 4 colors. And then I just start dragging these colors in a diagonal swoosh over the nail. One tip I have for you creating this marble: start at the tip, guys, because here I'm starting towards the nail bed area and then I'm working my way up to the tip. And for my taste, the gel polish in towards the nail bed area was dispersing too much, and I did not like that much. I mean, it's a question of taste. For me, the white was spreading too far up, so if you just start applying the colors in the tip and then you work your way down to the nail bed area, the colors cannot disperse so much, but it doesn't matter. I fixed it in the end and I just went over with a bit more color. And I'm dragging the colors into each other where I think it's necessary. Not too much or you will mush everything together. But yeah, it's such an easy marble for beginners. So this is where we are so far. Love the colors. I love how the glitter pieces catch the light. I'm very happy with that. And I put it into my lamp for 60 seconds and cure it. Before curing, I marbled a bit more where I thought necessary. Okay, so second nail, I apply the top coat. And also I caught a bit too much of the white, so I think now I focus more on the pink and the glitter polishes, and I start at the tip. Very important difference. So I learned from the first nail, so well, I guess I start more in the middle of the nail. Anyway, now I'm coming in the tip, and then I think I work my way down. Yeah, that's how I did it. So, and then in the end with the third nail, I start in the tip immediately and work my way down. Because you can see, again, it's dispersing a lot the further you go away from the tip. So yeah, that's my only tip for you, to start with the marble. Now I'm coming in only with the pink and the green glitter polish, work my way down, and then just apply the colors where I think it's necessary. But so far it's going well, and it looks so elegant and expensive, but I think it's so easy if you're just starting with gel polish, and it's a good way to experience colors together and how everything works out in a marble. So now, third nail, and yes, finally I learned my lesson. I'm starting in the tip and then working my way down with the different colors. I was very happy with the marbles here, and I let the dark green peek through here and there on purpose. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. This is my favorite marble from the three. And then after the first curing, I put the nails together because I wanted to even out the swoosh. So on each nail I had the same height of where the color swoosh ended, you know what I mean? So here on this nail I apply a bit more top coat, and I apply a bit more color going to the nail bed area. And then I do the same thing on the first nail is the one on the left, and I told you already, I thought there was too much white towards the nail bed area, so here I applied some top coat, left it uncured, and here I'm coming in with a bit more of the pink and the green glitter, and that, in my opinion, made the nail so much nicer. See? That's better. So there we are, just a last layer of top coat on all of the 3 nails. And yeah guys, we are done. 60 seconds of curing and this is the finished look. And I think it goes with so many different clothes and all the gray and black and knitted winter dresses. Oh, yeah, super pretty marble. And see, not at all difficult to do. And if you would not like the marble, then wipe it off and start from the beginning, as long as nothing is cured. So, hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.